So myself and Danny's just decided to have a quick walk out across this bridge. It goes across the canyon of the River Tara, and you can see there's quite a good view behind. Look how far down it is! See, Danny's not that impressed with the height or the condition of the bridge. It needs a little bit of TLC, I think. It was built in 1940 and it could do with some work, I think. But look at the scenery, it's absolutely stunning. I can't believe it. I keep using that term, but hey, look at that. It's like one of those railway dioramas where they fill the river full of resin. It's unbelievable. And then there's these crazy fools that keep zip lining across the canyon, across that line, and I think you can just about make it out. We've just come down the valley from the ski slope to a place called Shavnik, and we've just crossed a small bridge in the bottom to see this water down here. Look at this. How stunning is that? Looks like they've made a temporary dam to make a swimming pool for this place here. I think it's some sort of hotel. Scene with the mountains in the background, Land Rover, Danny. Beautiful. So, on to the next place. Hey. We're on our way to visit the monastery, and I'm seriously unfit. But we have got a staircase that just seems to go on forever. But we'll see what it's like when we get to the top. Oh, we made it. Say hello, Danny.
Hello.
See, he's not phased. It's just me that's unfit. It's quite an impressive sight built into the side of this huge rock face.